Guys and girls, if you have a refrigerator like this, I want to show you how to change this water filter. And if you hear some munching noises, this is from my dog Daisy. She's eating now, having dinner, and my Frankie boy. Apologize for that. So open the side door here, look at your model. This is your model of the refrigerator, right? WRS, this is mine, WRS588FIHZ00. My filter, water filter, is located right here. And in some refrigerators, it's located on the bottom. You would have like a little door and it would say water filter. First thing you do, there's a little arrow. It says pull it up. You just open this door and there's your filter. And you just pull it out. That's it. That's how easy it is. This is how this filter looks like. Has these little notches, like locking mechanism here. And let's compare it to the one I ordered on Amazon. So side to side comparison. This looks identical. There's a notch on the original one, and also the same style locking mechanism on the new filter. It looks identical. This is their model number for this refrigerator. GPU. Now if you go on the Whirlpool original, like on their main website, you'll get like the model numbers, and also you get this code, EDR1RX. This is what I went by. Many water filters are interchangeable, so just go by this code. I went on Amazon.com and look at the description, and I found this few letters and numbers, this code. So that means that this filter will work in my refrigerator. This brand is Glacier Pure replacement filter. This nozzle looks exactly like on the original one. So everything should work just fine. We're just gonna push it in place. The only difference between these two, there's an arrow on the original one, and this one does not have an arrow. But just remember, this part is pointing up, and there's no other way you can insert this filter. Just make sure this is pointing upwards. So take your filter, push it in, and lock this door. There, you hear that? Now we're good. Filter is in place. Now you see this blink flashing light. It says order filter. Just click on options here. Options. Filter reset, and then confirm. So every time when you open the door and you see this little sign, replace filter, once you do that, once you replace the filter, hit on options, and it's gonna say reset filter, filter reset. See, this light is gonna light up, and you click select, and then it's gonna clear your filter settings. Now it's not flashing anymore because we have a new filter. Okay, now we're ready to drink our fresh filtered water. Cheers. Also on this box from this filter, it says compatible with Whirlpool, Kenmore, KitchenAid, JennAir, Maytag, and Amana. And when you turn it on the side, they actually tell you where to locate your water filter door. Also, this is an EPA product registration number. So it's a good brand, Glacier Pure. All right. I bought 3 of these filters for like $50, was free shipping from Amazon. And if you go on Whirlpool, you pay for one like $50, $45 for one. So I got a good deal on this. Right, Frankie? Yes. Where you go? Yeah? So go on the Whirlpool website and look for this number. says EDR1RXD1. This is the replacement filter for my model. And also you have this number. So they'll give you like this number and go by this number. When you order on Amazon or anywhere else, go by this number. When I tried to plug in this model number and I could not find the exact filter, it only showed me the short number with letters. That's how I found the replacement filter. See this WRS588? I put it on the Whirlpool website and it gave me a bunch of numbers for the filters, but the one that was compatible was this number, EDR1RXD1. That's how I order my replacement filter, based on this number. Because it will not show you the refrigerator model on these filters, only this number right here. That's how I found the replacement filter for my refrigerator. And also these filters are certified for Whirlpool, Maytag, Amana. And also look on the box, see, this number came up. But the model number for the refrigerator, it's totally different. But we go based off on this number right here. Thank you for watching my channel, and I'll see you in the next episode.